Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Back at it, back at it. You already know it's your girl, aka Queen. Back with another video. Back with another video. I have my brother here, Gregory.
I watch her videos every single day.
And my sister, Caitlin.
Me too.
And my little sister, Juju. And guess what? And can I put my aunt in video? I gotta get permission first. Can I put my aunt in the video? I got my aunt as known as Mama P, aka the street mama. You already know who she rocking with. And I got my stepmother over there, Wanda. All right, and then I got Taisha, introduce yourself. And I got my little brother. And guess what? We are. Oh, I got my Uncle Patrick over there, best known as the best boo. You already know how it go down. Then I got that. All right, listen. I got James Carter over there.
I'm
Cam in the background.
I'm aka Gregory _the kid.
All right, tell them where to subscribe to you at. Where you want them to subscribe to your channel at?
Subscribe to my channel at Shawana Kitchen, my mom name / Gregory _the kid.
All right, hold on. He gonna tell you again in slow motion. All right, give it to him in slow motion.
Make sure to subscribe to my mom's channel, and her channel name is Shawana Kitchen, aka my name Gregory _the kid. Wait, Eugene, why?
All right, you guys, you already see. This is my family. Oh, and you already know we got the kid, Tiesha. Hey, we are, listen, we are inside, now outside. Some of y'all need to have a seat. Move out, Taisha. Then we got Pumpkin and Honey. Pumpkin, say hey. Honey, say hey. Tell them no. Pumpkin, Honey, tell them what? They got the light. And what else?
Like and subscribe.
Tell them what they got to do.
You got to like and subscribe and hit the comment and hit the bell and spamming the like. Hit family for live with the L for LIFE. A lot of E's.
All right. So listen, check it out, man. We are trying to get this YouTube thing down, and listen, don't knock over my food, honey. We cannot do this without you guys. We need you to like, subscribe, comment, and also go follow my little brother at his YouTube channel because he's trying to blow up too. So, you know what I'm saying? You trying to help me. If you help me, you help my little brother. And you know I'm going to give you some good tips on about the Pate family. Everybody you just seen in here, them little kids, those are my brothers and sisters. My sisters and brothers. It's my little sister. My little sister, you already know, it's just a paint thing right here going on. You know what I'm saying? Go subscribe to our channel. You know what I'm saying? You're trying to be YouTube famous. And you know what I'm saying? Right now we with family. Family is everything no matter what. They're in the kitchen, cooking. You know what I'm saying? Family all over there. I don't know what they talk about, but it's another thing. So yeah, we trying to, listen. I can't stresses how much thankful I am for you guys getting me at 1,000 subscribers. Mwah. Thank you. And you already know that I thank you so much. Like big hugs from the Pate family and the Harris. And you already know you tuned to the Harris family. We are about to check out. 4 minutes is hitting that button and we are out. Don't forget to hit that comment, subscribe it. And what?
And make sure to go to my channel. I'm starting gameplays for the new game called Friday Night Funky.
Make sure to go to my channel, Eugene and I'm dropping a new video tomorrow.
Oh well, you already heard.
I drop every Saturday.
Peace.
I drop
Out.
every Saturday.
Honey, you want to say something? No. All right, we out. Peace.
I drop every